Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can disable the Microsoft Defender antivirus in your Windows PC. All you have to do is to first open the settings of your device. You can find it in Start menu. After opening the settings, you will find an option on the side window, the second last option, Privacy and Security. Click on it and you will find another list of options, and on the first spot you will find Windows Security option. Click on it and after that click on Open Windows Security. Once you click on it, you'll find the Windows security option will appear in front of you. You have to click on virus and threat protection option, and after clicking on it, scroll down and find the virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings and here you can see various options of antivirus. You have to just simply disable it. It may ask the administrative permission for you. You have to click on yes, and now you can see the threat protection is now being disabled. You may get the notification as well that the antivirus has now been turned off. You have to disable all these services in order to perfectly disable the antivirus. Alright, that's it for this quick tutorial. Hope that could be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such interesting videos.